Hey guys, what's going on? This is Asif and you're watching the TechTipper channel. Now, I was writing an article about a small utility that can turn your notch on MacBook Pro 14 and 16 into a utility. I mean an AirDrop utility. Once you install this application called TopDrop, although it is a paid app like every other useful utility app on Mac or iPhone, it is also a paid app, but it is a wonderful app that will convert the notch on the MacBook Pro 14 and 16 into a small utility. And whenever you have to send a file, for example, I have this folder where I have the files that I want to send back to my iPhone. What I usually do is I create my videos, shoot my videos using my iPhone, and then airdrop it to my MacBook where I edit them, and then I airdrop the final product back to my iPhone. So the usual thing is to go to double tap on your trackpad and then go to share and then select airdrop, and this pop-up appears, and when I lift my iPhone it will show that my iPhones, and I'll have to select the iPhone. This is the usual process, but what TopDrop does is it turns your notch on your MacBook Pro 14 or 16 into a utility, and all you have to do is drag your file over to notch, and then that sharing pop-up will appear and you will be able to share the file. And this is actually a faster way in comparison to the regular way, but this is a paid app. Here is a free alternative that you can create yourself on your MacBook using the app called Shortcuts. Here is the Shortcut app on my Mac, and Shortcut app is also available for iOS, so it will be on your iPhone as well. So these are all the shortcuts that I have created on my iPhone. So some of them will not work on Mac, although here is a shortcut called AirDrop Files that I have also added to my dock on Mac. Now I have to send any file, I can drag the file and drop over to the dock, and the same box will appear. So this is a free option. The only thing you have to do is, instead of dragging and dropping file to the notch, you will have to drag the file to the icon that appears in the dock system. So let's see how you can create this shortcut for your Mac to make it easy for you to airdrop files on your iPhone or other devices. So I'll open the Shortcuts app, and there is a plus button on top right hand side which says new shortcut. So I'll click on that, and then I will go to documents. There are many other options available in this scroll area. I'll select get selected files in the finder. When I double click on it, it appears here, and now I'll go to sharing option, and then I'll double click on airdrop. So airdrop comes here. Now we'll go to the other option by tapping on this button, the shortcut details button, and here I will add a shortcut button as well. So my shortcut button would be Control Shift P. When we close this, our shortcut appears here, and when we right click on this shortcut, it also gives you an option to add it to dock. So you can add it to dock and place your shortcut anywhere you want. And now whenever you have to send a file, you can either use your keyboard shortcut, or you can drag and drop over to the icon in the dock. The same thing happens, the airdrop pop-up option appears, and you will be able to send the files. So this is the free option, which is quite at par with the TopDrop utility, which is a paid utility. So this is the free alternative.